Hi, I'm Cliff with Kitchen Dads. I'm not a professional chef, I'm just a dad who loves to cook, and it's my goal to get more people in the kitchen. I wrote a book called Kitchen Dads The Basics, which teaches people the basics of cooking. It was a big hit, bestseller on Amazon, people loved it, but they said, Cliff, I learn better with video. So I made a course called Kitchen Dads Classroom. It's everything in my book put into videos. There's over 60 videos. It covers all aspects of cooking. How to prep your work surface, what knives to use, how to hold those knives so you can avoid bloodshed, both yours and other people's. The basic cuts, chopping, dicing, slicing. We bring in vegetables like carrots and onions and peppers and celery. Once we have that down, I do an equipment review because I never want you to be at a loss for what a piece of equipment is or how to use it. Now at this point, you're ready to cook. So I've included some exclusive video recipes from my book, which are easy to make, great tasting, always a hit. The course is normally $197. I want you to have it for free. There's a lot of people right now who have some time. It's a good time for you maybe to brush up on your skills or learn to cook, or maybe somebody you know needs to learn to cook. Anyway, I want you to have this for free. Just click the button below and enter your information and you'll get immediate access.